And hello there, Super Robot fans and folks. This is Mr. Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mr. Wars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is something that was released, years before. I think this was before the separation of the Bandai Souls and the other, because it still has the red Bandai logo. Yes, I have here the Shogun Modeling Project or SMP Daimos. Yes, so if you are like me who grew up in the 90s, yeah, so this is one of those shows that was released or is being shown in the television. Aside from Opus 5 and some Gundam, yes, we also had Daimos, and yeah, it's a pretty nostalgic, what they call that, a feel for me when I see this. That's why, yes, I had to buy it. I had to buy it, and yes, this is coming from Habitats Laguna. All right, thank you, Buster. Please be sure to visit Habitats Laguna. Yeah, this was I bought this just now from the Philippine Scale Model Show 2026, which is happening in the Ayala Malls. And yeah, they had the spot there, so I visited them and yes, bought this one. So again, as you can see in the box art, yes, this is the SMP, not the P Bandai version, but the regular version. We have Daimos there, and off to the side, yes, here is Daimos. Off to the other side, here is again Daimos. So I'm not sure. Probably the missing one here is the car. I don't know. It's okay with me. Right. And yep, opening up and let's see what's inside the box. Right, we have so one bag with the trailers, I think, or the sides. Yep, here it is. Another bag with multiple screws, so all the lights, the gates are here. Okay, this is actually three. Right, there we go. Another bag. I think this is still three. But yep, still three. There we go. And is there still one more bag? Yep, so one more bag. So some of the thermal parts, the weapons, the ice is here. And I think that's all. I don't. Yeah. So the instruction manual is here. So I don't think the car is included. It's okay. Actually, that's one of the for me nostalgic feels. Right. Right. So just a closer look. So here it is. The sticker sheets. The sticker sheet. So there are a lot of stickers to put in here. We have this bag here with the weapons. Again, the ice is here. Some other parts, optional parts, and the tracks, I guess. This bag opens up to have three. One, two, three. And I think the last one, no, not the last one. This one also has up to three screws. Sorry, three bags in it. And finally, this one here for the edges. So yeah, I think it's in the P-Bandai version that we had the car. And there you have it, Super Robot fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the SMP or Shokugan Modeling Project for Daimos. Yes, the regular version, not the P-Bandai one, because I think the P-Bandai one has a car, before this whole big truck trailer becomes a robot. Yeah, the hero needs to drive a car up to it. Anyways, this is Before saying if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, view on the video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.